How to fix WDF_violation BSOD on HP PCs after installing Windows 10 1809 17763.55 cumulative update. FYI, actually HP computers are not the only product affected for this WDF_violation BSOD issue, other computers as well like Dell etc. That's why for now, Microsoft has temporarily paused the update for people who seek to check for updates, to investigate an isolated reported issue, and will make it available for download again once ready. In the meantime, some HP computer users do not have the HP QKBFilter.sys driver on their computer. The WDF_violation error may also indicate that kernel mode driver framework, KMDF, detected that Windows found an error in a framework-based driver. Possible solution: locate, rename, or delete the HP QKBFilter.sys driver on your HP computer. Step 1. Run your Windows in its safe mode, https://goo.gl/jde2m. Do two things: 1. Check if you have KB4462919 installed. 2. Find out the exact location of HP QKBFilter.sys. By default, it'd be saved in C:\Windows\system32\drivers. Restart your PC. Step 2. When you on the WDF_violation blue screen, hit the troubleshoot button at the bottom. Step 3, click on the advanced options button. Step 4, click on command prompt. Step 5, browse into THTE exact folder where you had Windows 10 installed, type cd Windows\system32\drivers, then press enter. Refer to the below image. Type ren HP QKBFilter.sys HP QKBFilter.sys.boc, then press enter. Hint: for starters, you may read https://goo.gl/wknso. Command prompt: how to use the simple, basic commands. Step 6, close command prompt, and reboot your computer. Plan B, remove KB4462919 update in Windows Safe Mode. Other case studies and possible fixes on the web. 1. Blue screen error WDF_violation unable to do restore. Follow https://goo.gl/vqfpsr. To troubleshoot blue screen errors. If the error persists, remove the recently installed update in Windows Safe Mode. 2. Blue screen with a message WDF violation. Disconnect all peripheral devices from the computer except the keyboard and the mouse. Perform a hard reboot, press the power button on your PC case, and try to boot normally into the computer. Follow https://goo.gl/vqfpsr. To troubleshoot blue screen errors. Run the startup repair and check if it helps. Follow these steps: insert the installation DVD or USB and boot your Windows 10 from the installation media. In the Windows Setup page, select the language to install, time and currency format and the keyboard or input method and click on Next. Click on Repair your computer. And select Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options. And select Startup Repair and select the operating system. You may also try performing system restore and check. 3. WDF_violation reboot issue on Windows 10 Pro. 3.1 If you see the blue/black screen only after sign-in and you can only see a mouse cursor, while at the black screen, try using Ctrl+Shift+ESC to start Task Manager. If it becomes visible, try finding lockapphost.exe on the Details tab and ending the task. If this resolves the black screen, use Corruption Resolution Steps, DISM, then SFC. If this does not work, use File, Run New Task in Task Manager to start an Administrator CMD window. Use this to create a new administrator user with the following commands: changing password to something of the customer's choosing, net user test password /add net local group administrators test /add. This will give you a test user to try, which will confirm if the issue is user or system specific. (3.2) If you see the blue/black screen or have a flickering screen before sign-in, try connecting to different video outputs on the PC. To a different adapter, from integrated graphics to a discrete card or vice versa. To a different output, from HDMI to DVI, DisplayPort to VGA, or any other combination. Try to boot into safe mode with networking or enable low-resolution video. Check Device Manager and look for display adapters. If you see two items under Display Adapters, disable integrated video card, e.g. Intel HD 4000 or AMD Radeon HD 4200, and restart. Try vice versa if it does not work. If you see one item under Display Adapters, roll back the driver or uninstall the display adapter in Device Manager, and enable the option to delete driver software. Check your PC or display adapter manufacturer's site for an updated driver. 3.3 Perform a startup repair as mentioned above. 3.4 If you can't hit F8 nor get to safe mode, use an original Windows 10 installation media to restore or reset your PC. Or, use installation media to reinstall your Windows. 3.5 Perform a disk check. Important, when you run the check disk, there are chances of losing data, so you can take a backup before running check disk. Insert the installation DVD or USB and boot your Windows 10 from it. In the Windows Setup page, select the language to install, time and currency format and the keyboard or input method and click on Next. Click on Repair your computer and select Troubleshoot. Click on Advanced Options and click on Command Prompt. Run the following command from the command prompt and press Enter. chkdsk/f/rx plan B, run bootrec commands from Windows Recovery Environment, bootrec/fixmpr bootrec/fixboot bootrec/rebuild. Note, modifying BIOS/complementary metal oxide semiconductor, CMOS, settings incorrectly can cause serious problems that may prevent your computer from booting properly. Microsoft cannot guarantee that any problems resulting from the configuring of BIOS/CMOS settings can be solved. Modifications of the settings are at your own risk. Press Y when you are prompted to check the disk the next time that the system restarts. Restart your computer. 4. Computer will not boot up WDF_violation error using Windows 10. Make the best of the automatic repair option in Windows Recovery Environment. 5. Win 10, endless loop something about WDF_violation. Machine won't boot. 5.1 Boot into safe mode with networking, then check your PC or display adapter manufacturer's site for an updated driver. 5.2 Perform startup repair in Windows Recovery Environment.